Hi everyone, this is KJ for Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang Celine Dion hits na iperform ng The Divas of the Kingdom. Pero wala ata si Julie, kasi si Julie may sakit for today's video. Wala din siya sa what do you call this, sa opening prod. Hinanap ko siya actually. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Nagawa na pa nila before ang Celine Dion hits? Parang hindi. Oo, parang nagawa na nila, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, agad-agad panoorin natin ito, The Divas of the Kingdom, the GMAs. G. Sino pumalit kay Julie? Ay. Ooh. I love that. Grabe. Dynamics po ng inahan. Ay, sorry. Ana yung maybe this time sa cover kailan? Grabe yung dynamics. The range. The range. And of course, as expected, she sustained. Wow, the range. Okay, 100. 100 for Hannah. Ang scoring natin ngayon, 100. Tapos kung may something like -1, -1. Charis. Yan, eh. Oh. Wow. Kaya Aslay. Ano niya talaga to, no? Fault niya yung tipong nag-istorya talaga siya. Oh. Oh my God, we should tell us a story. Grabe siya mag-enunciate. Key change. Alto siya, no? Tama, si Thea. Parang hindi. Oh! Bakit naputol? Naputol ba talaga? Hindi ako sure ha. Baka naputol talaga. Wala akong tinouch ha. Nice. Ay, grabe. Hoy! Hoy! Marian! Uy! It reminds me of Troubled Bridge over Troubled Water. Tama ba yun? Stephanie? Wala si Rita? Jessica pala, sorry. So, all by myself, lahat ng kakantahin nila. Ay, wow, she's... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're so good. Ito yung reaction ng Stephanie sa likod. Oh my God, they're so magaling. Ay, napuputol talaga. Napuputol talaga. Tingnan ko nga yung live chat. Oh, love that. Lamig ng boses niya. Ay, grabe! Ay, grabe! Pinapakilala nila bawat sarili nila sa kantahan, dear. Okay. What's next? Atake. Did you hear that? Okay. Oh. Grabe yung chess. Focus na focus ako, ha? Harmonization, go! Very in character si Jessica. Oh, grabe. Jessica. That's Jessica. Grabe. Grabe to. Wow. Wow. Wait lang. Let me compose myself. Akala ko talaga kilala ko na yung Queendom. Sa tagal kong gumagawa ng reaction video sa Queendom, akala ko ang tagal ko na kilala ko na ang Queendom. But hindi. Akala ko sagad na yung mga nakikita kong performances nila. Yes, dear. I don't know kung may isasagad pa to. Sagad na to, no? Grabe. Hindi pa siguro sagad to. Meron pa talaga silang ibuga. Grabe, the range, the dynamics. Iba yung mga high notes na hinihit nila dito. Plus, alam mo yung the way they sustain the high notes. Iba, perfect. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!